Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you what is TikTok. So TikTok is a free social media application where people create and watch short videos, usually 15 seconds to 3 minutes long. It's popular for lip syncing, dance trends, comedy, storytelling, tutorials, and some viral challenges. You can scroll through a personalized feed called the For You page, interact with other users through likes, comments, and shares, and use music, filters, and editing tools to make your videos stand out. TikTok launched internationally in 2018 and became especially popular with younger users. TikTok is known for its fast-paced, creative content and has influenced pop culture, music, and even fashion trends around the world. So I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.